This oil pan just came off an engine that was repeatedly overheated and running low on oil. The vehicle takes 2050. They were running 5W30. So let's see. And it was overheated multiple times. The last time, the engine just up and quit. So let's see what we see in the bottom of this pan. See if any, oh boy, some chunks coming out. I wonder if that's showing up on the video. Tell you what, get us some more light. See if we can take a look in here. Ooh, there's something. I see a lot of glitter. Well, that doesn't surprise me. Engine was not going to beat the band. Well, that's what a teenager does to an engine. Now, if you look on the previous video, you'll see that the bottom end of this engine was rebuilt a couple years ago. Had another 50,000 at least left in it. Yeah.